Axis Direct is a trading and investment brand of Axis Securities Limited, a subsidiary of Axis Bank Limited. Its primary services are demat, trading, and investment in stocks, commodities, and mutual funds, including other financial instruments like debentures, bonds, and currency. The company is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and registered in the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE. Axis Direct, as a broker and investment institution, provides a range of financial stock market products and services, including equity, derivatives, mutual funds, loans, SIPs, IPOs, bonds, insurance, and more. Have complaints about Axis Direct? Initiate the resolution process by reaching out to Axis Direct's customer care team or designated customer care officials. In case your complaints are not resolved, escalate the complaint to the head of customer service and subsequently to the nodal officer of Axis Bank Limited if necessary for other financial services. Report grievances related to equities, derivatives, mutual funds, currency derivatives, and commodities, including gold, silver, and energy, as well as specific aspects like the Axis Direct trading platform, research and analytics reports, technical analysis tools, real-time market data, and managed account services. Also, resolve the issues of fixed income, bonds debenture, financial products, loans insurance, demat accounts, DP charges brokerage, advisory services, and disputes within the wealth advisory marketplace. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction? Escalate the complaint to the principal nodal officer, financial services. Further escalation can be made to the compliance officer of Axis Securities for resolution. How to file a complaint to Axis Direct? As per Axis Securities Grievance Redressal Policy and Investor Grievance Escalation Matrix, the complaint resolution process is divided into 4 levels. Initiate the resolution by contacting the toll-free helpline number, submitting an email, or filing an online complaint to Axis Direct. If not resolved, proceed to escalate the matter to the next level of authority, as defined in the escalation matrix. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges, 0 rupees. Resolution period. Up to 30 days, read the investor charter of Axis Securities. Refund period. Within 7 to 15 business days, read the refund and compensation policy. Levels of complaint escalation. Level 1. Customer Care, Axis Direct. Toll-free customer service number. Email or WhatsApp. Register a complaint online. Axis Direct app. Level 2. Head, Customer Service, Axis Direct. Level 3. Compliance Officer, Axis Securities. Level 4. Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Axis Securities Limited. Note: the calling support is available between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for all trading days. Not resolved by Axis Securities within 30 days despite escalation, you have the option to file a complaint with regulatory bodies such as the Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and the relevant exchanges, CDSL, NSDL, NSE, BSE, for a thorough investigation. In the case of disagreements with regulatory authorities or Axis Direct, consider the Smart Online Disputes Resolution (ODR) platform for formal arbitration with Axis Securities or the relevant institutions. Please note, for unresolved disputes related to loans and financial services, except regulated by SEBI, with Axis Securities, you can file a complaint with the Banking Ombudsman at the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, for a comprehensive investigation and resolution. Level 1. Customer Care, Axis Direct. To address concerns with Axis Direct, commence the resolution process by filing a complaint with the customer service team. Contact through the toll-free helpline number, send an email, or register an online complaint with customer care officials at Axis Direct. Provide necessary details, including customer ID, client code, client name and email, if required, order ID, if applicable. Specify the nature of the complaint. A detailed description, including supporting documents such as bills, contract notes, invoices, or screenshots, particularly for issues related to investment and financial services or emergencies like account blocking, unauthorized transactions, or payment problems. After registering a complaint with Axis Direct, take note of the assigned ticket number for reference in monitoring the status of your complaint. If necessary, escalate unresolved issues to higher authorities. Axis Direct Customer Care Number. Details of Axis Direct customer helpline numbers and email. Axis Direct complaint number. +912240508080. Axis Securities customer care number. +912261480808. Commodity currency trading. +912242274564. Email. helpdesk@axisdirect.in. Demat account support. +912268515400. Email. dematdp. help@axisdirect.in. NRI helpline number. +912261480809. Email. nri@axisdirect.in. Report cyber attack. For the complaints related to cyber attacks threats on your Axis Direct account, call the helpline number at +912261480808 or mail to cybersecurity@axisdirect.in with evidence. NRI customer support. For complaints or queries related to order placement and trading through Axis Direct, call the international, abroad, helpline numbers or respective Axis Securities customer support for non-resident Indian, NRI, account holders. Email at nri@axisdirect.in or dial the NRI customer care number of Axis Direct. Country. NRI helpline number. Australia, AUS. 18007355536. Singapore, SGP. 80010133356. United Arab Emirates, UAE. 800 United Kingdom, UK. 800 Other countries. +912261480809. File a complaint online. Official details to register your complaint online about the stock market, trading, investment, and finance with Axis Securities. Complain online to Axis Direct. File a complaint. Contact customer support. Click here, axisdirect.in. Email. helpdesk@axisdirect.in. Tip. Beware of scams. Don't share bank personal details. Use only the official Axis Direct app for help. Stay safe. Please note, if you have concerns about Axis Securities violating consumer rights, please be advised to file a complaint with the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, for an investigation. Level 2. Head of Customer Service, Axis Direct. Following the resolution mechanism. If your initial complaint with Axis Direct remains unresolved at Level 1 within 3 working days, proceed to escalate the matter to the designated Head of Customer Service, CAS. CAS at Level 2. With the ticket number from the previous complaint, contact the CS head using the provided contact details below. Call the CS head at the helpline number +912268555569. Escalate the complaint by email to customer.grievance@accessdirect.in with the ticket number. Level 3. Compliance Officer, Access Securities. In cases of unresolved complaints related to stock and trading, DP, pension funds, and SEBI regulated investment services at Level 2, Access Securities Limited has appointed a compliance officer for resolution. When filing a grievance with a compliance officer, include ticket reference number from the previous Level 2 complaint, client code customer ID, nature of the complaint, reasons for dissatisfaction, expected relief. Attach pertinent documents such as invoices, contract notes, screenshots, or other proofs. If the complaints remain unresolved within 7 working days at Level 2, you may escalate the matter by submitting a written complaint letter to the designated compliance officer at Access Securities. Designation: Compliance Officer, Access Securities. Phone number +912268555574. Email: compliance.officer@accessdirect.in. Address: Compliance Officer, Access Securities Limited, Oram Q Park, Q2 Building, Unit number 1001, 10th floor, Level 6, Plot number 4/1 TTC, Thane, Belapur Road, Ghansoli, Navi Mumbai, 400710. Level 4, CEO, Access Securities Limited. If the submitted complaint remains unresolved within 3 working days after escalation to the compliance officer at Level 3, proceed to escalate the disputed matter to the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, at Access Securities. This can be done by sending an email or making a call using the provided contact details. Call the CEO by dialing the phone number +912268555565. Email your concerns to ceo@accessdirect.in with the ticket acknowledgement ID of the previously escalated complaint at Level 3. Contact other key managerial personnel officials. Chief Operating Officer, could call at +912268555583 or email to co@accessdirect.in. Chief Finance Officer, CFO contact number is +912268555610. Email at cfo@accessdirect.in. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction by Access Securities? Approach the respective regulatory authorities. Regulatory authorities. If your complaints regarding investments, securities, brokers, or the trading platform of Access Direct remain unresolved after 30 days, escalate the disputed matter of Access Securities to relevant regulatory authorities. 1. Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI file a complaint to SEBI, scores. 2. Respective stock exchanges. For equity and currency trading, approach the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. For commodities and metals trading disputes, complain to Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, MCX. 3. Depository services. For issues like demand accounts, equity repository, ownership, and share transfers, contact Central Depository Services, India, Limited, CDSL, and National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. 4. Other regulatory authorities for financial disputes. For National Pension Scheme, NPS, grievances, file a complaint with the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. For insurance disputes, complain to the Insurance Ombudsman, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. For the violation of consumer rights, appeal to the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, Consumer Forum. Please note, If dissatisfied with regulatory resolutions, initiate arbitration with Axis Securities Limited or institutions companies through the Smart Online Disputes Resolution Smart ODIA platform at smartorder.in. Take legal action. If dissatisfaction persists after receiving final orders from appellate authorities, consider seeking legal advice from a legal expert before pursuing legal action. Note: file a case online by e-filing to district high courts, through e-court services without a lawyer. Additionally, you may approach judicial bodies or relevant tribunals, such as the Securities Appellate Tribunal, for further review and resolution.